Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Grand California 600. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 177 bhp. The vehicle also comes with a tip automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver, and across the front of the vehicle we'll find a half-painted front bumper as well as a set of front parking sensors. Down below, this camper sits on the 17-inch Lismore alloy wheels, and towards the rear of the vehicle we have a high-mounted rear-view reversing camera as well as 2 windows in the rear doors. This camper also benefits from having a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. Taking a look behind the doors, there is the rollout awning tool up top. The bed can be stored in a flat position as well as an upright position and secured with the 2 straps. On the right hand side we have a storage cupboard which will house 2 gas bottles and can be locked in place. On the left hand side we have 2 additional storage cupboards which can be used for a variety of different things. The Grand California also comes with an outlet for the outdoor shower with a hot and cold setting. In the rear area there's also a 3-pin as well as a 12-volt outlet providing charging utilities in the rear of the vehicle. Inside either of the doors there is a single foldable camping chair, and on the left hand side there is a foldable table as well. Joining me inside the California, to the rear there is a very comfortable 2-berth sleeping area with some airline style cabin storage compartments overhead, along with 2 USB Type A slots in the rear. Moving over to the shower and wet room area, there is a mirror as well as some storable bathroom shelves. The sink also folds away for easy access, and there is also a cassette toilet. On the opposite side of the door we'll move over to the kitchen area. This Grand California comes with a twin hob cooker / burner as well as a sink with a foldable tap. Moving over to the rear passenger area, there is a table that can be slid into slot and can be removed when travelling. Up front in the driver's cab we have 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. All the seats come finished in the Valley fabric seat trim covers. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we have an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, including DAB and FM AM radio stations. Users can also opt to connect with the App Connect feature using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Keeping you on the right track at all times is the Discover Media Navigation Pro system with 3D maps. Beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. This camper comes with climatic air conditioning. Further down to the left there's a 12-volt and 2 USB Type-C charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel, providing more comfort in those colder months. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.